Hi, I'm Jack, and today we're diving into the process of setting up the SharePoint Online integration with Dynamics 365 in the Power Platform. In this video, we'll cover the initial setup of the integration, how to add the document subgrid to your forms, then we'll also take a quick look at how the users actually interact with it. With that, let's jump in and get started. So, getting started, the first thing you're going to want to do is pop into make.powerapps.com, head to the appropriate form that you would like to add the document subgrid to, and open that up. Once you've done that, drop a new tab on. You can go ahead and rename that tab if you want. I'll name that Documents. And once you've renamed that, you can go ahead, you can see we've renamed it and we've got a single section in here. So we're just going to go ahead and drop a subgrid on. And the table we're going to choose is the documents regarding. You don't need to set a default view and then you can go ahead and click Done. Now that you've done that, that is everything set up. You can go ahead and click Save and Publish now. Once that has successfully saved and published, we are now going to go and take a look at our app. If you give this a refresh, it may take a little minute, or it may take a minute or two to come through. You will see that that Documents tab has now appeared. If we click onto that, we can see that we've got our document subgrid. However, it's giving us an error here. You don't have permissions to view the files in the location. So let's go and set that up. If you head into your Power Platform environment settings app and head over to document management and then click on configure server-side SharePoint integration, there's a little wizard here that you can run through to set it up. We're just going to choose online. We're going to choose our SharePoint URL. I'm just going to pop over and pick that up. We're going to paste that URL in here. Go ahead and click Next, and you'll see that that validation is coming back as valid. Go ahead, click Next again. You can also choose to enable OneDrive for Business. For this instance, I'm just going to go ahead and click Next, and then we're going to click Done. That's the basic configuration complete. So now we need to go into document management settings. This wizard will appear and within here you can go ahead and choose all of the different entities you would like to enable document management for. Once you've chosen the entities you'd like to enable it for, just paste your SharePoint URL in that box, click on the Next button, and it's going to ask you how to configure this. We want to do this based on entity, and we want to do this based off of the account entity, and you can see there it's showing the folder structure that will be used. That's just going to say that it's creating this folder structure and that they have all now succeeded. At this stage, you can go ahead and click on the Finish button. Now that that is all configured, we can pop back into our app. If we pop back onto our account, click into our Documents tab, you'll be able to see that this is now successfully configured and it's just saying no data available. If I go ahead, click on the Upload button and using YouTube Magic upload a file, when I go ahead, click OK, that's going to upload that file into SharePoint for me. And if we go over to Open Location on the left-hand side, we can open up our SharePoint site and it's going to bring us directly into our account. You can see here when we set it up, it went away and created this folder structure automatically for us. Hopefully this video has given you an insight into configuring the SharePoint integration for Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to leave them below and don't forget to check out my blog at jack-wix.co.uk. Thanks.